Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine. So first I'm going to take off my makeup. First step is taking off my lashes. That's the most satisfying thing while I am taking off my makeup. So first I'm taking this cleanser. This is the La Roche Posay makeup remover milk. This is for sensitive skin. You can use any makeup remover or any cleansing milk or cleansing lotion, micellar water. And to take off my makeup, I'm using cotton pads. I bought this from Superdrug. You just need a couple of them to remove your makeup. So first I'm massaging this milk all over on my face. As you can see, my liquid lipstick, my eyeshadows, my eyebrow all are just melting together. So keep massaging for 30 seconds. After massaging my face for 30 seconds and so, I am going to take off my makeup, and for this I'm going to use cotton pads which I have shown you earlier. I wet my cotton pad with water, and here I'm using only 2 or 3 cotton pad to remove all of my makeup. So here I'm starting with my eyes and then sweeping all over on my face with this cotton pad. So make sure you are doing this until you remove every bit of makeup, okay? Because removing makeup is the most important thing of your skincare. If you are not removing your makeup properly, you will get pimple, you will have open pores and so many problems, okay? So anyway, and if you are not wearing any makeup, you can just start straight to face wash, okay? So here I'm using the Masque Bar Gold Cleanser. This is the charcoal plus 24 karat gold flake one. You can use any face wash or cleanser of your choice. It really doesn't matter. I love the charcoal one recently because anything with charcoal, it can remove any dirt from your skin, from your pore. So yeah, and it has 24 karat gold flakes, so a little bit tiny bits of gold flakes into this cleanser. So whenever I use this one, I have a very glowy and brightening effect on my skin. So here I'm massaging this all over my face for 10-15 seconds, and then I'm gonna wash it off. After wash it off, I'm going to use my serum. So the serum I'm gonna use first is the ordinary Salicylic SC 2% solution, because I have few pimples now on my face, and I'm just taking 2 pump of this and I'm just applying this on my cheek because I have my pimples there. So I'm not applying this all over on my face, just on wherever I have pimple or acne. And here I'm patting the product on my skin very carefully, and I'm gonna wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then I'm gonna apply my next serum, which is the Ordinary Buffet. I use this as an anti-aging product because I'm 31 now. So same, I'm taking 2 drops of it and I'm applying this all over on my face, including neck. You don't need too many products. These serums are quite thick. You just need 1 or 2 drops of it. If you want to know what kind of serum I use on my daily basis, you can check my Ordinary review. So I don't use all the serum every day. I just alternate my serum. So today I'm using Buffet, next day I'll be using Alpha Arbutin. So yeah, I'm making sure I'm my skin absorb all the products. I'm patting my product on my skin very nicely, and again I am gonna wait 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then I'm gonna apply Caffeine Solution. This is for dark circle and puffiness and fine line, wrinkles, everything. I'm just applying this around my eye area. And now I'm going to apply moisturizer. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is quite a thick cream. If you are dry to very dry skin, then you can use this. If you have flaky skin, you can also use this. And I'm applying quite a few bit because I love to use my moisturizer heavy-handed at night time. Daytime, it's just normal. I don't use too much moisturizer on daytime. And after applying this moisturizer, I can see that glow, see that brightness, and I love this moisturizer. If you have oily skin, try to use something gel based, okay? And after this, I'm going to apply some lip balm on my lips, and this is the Baker Lip Balm. I always use that. This is my everyday thing. You already know that. I love it. And last part of my skincare is oil. Here I'm using argan oil from Ordinary, but if you don't have a dry skin, you don't need to use oil. It's just for dry skin because it's winter here. So yeah, this is my skincare routine. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias, and I will see you on my next tutorial. Till then, bye.